Hi guys, Alam here, the organizer of Accountable Entrepreneur Buddies. This meetup is all about accountability. So we entrepreneurs get together, we set goals, we hold ourselves accountable to our goals, plus to our buddies, we make them happen, and we build our dream business and life. So the next 3 sessions is going to be very special. We are going to have an actual workshop on creativity. Now, you may ask, why creativity? And that's a good question. Well, because the future is all about being more creative, it's all about being more innovative, being a problem solver. So, with AI and all, we see the changes in the trends. So, the competition is all about creativity, and the winners of this competition are the ones who can create unique solutions for the problems. And what is the problem with that? Why are we going to do it on a meetup? Why can't we learn it somewhere else? Well, because they don't teach us. Well, I have studied marketing at university, but I don't remember even a single subject on creativity, meaning in actual rolling up sleeves, doing practices and becoming more creative. I don't remember anything like that. So we understood there is a need, especially for us entrepreneurs. We have day-to-day challenges of creating opportunities, making them happen. So Tracy and I decided to create a workshop on creativity. Now, who's Tracy Tanner? Well, she's an awesome accountable buddy. She's been with us from the day one of this meetup. Well, she has MBA and she has spent most of her professional life on creativity. And now she's creating a university course on creativity, the same thing. So she's all about creativity. And I'll hand it over to her to explain more about what we are going to do and learn in the next 3 sessions. But before that, I just wanted to say, if you haven't joined our meetup yet, I put a link at the end of this video. Just join us, and also around this video, and RSVP for the next 3 sessions. And I'm confident you'll get a lot of benefit from it. And if you're not from around here, no worries at all. So I'm going to upload the videos. I'm going to record the sessions, upload them, so you can get benefit from them. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope to see you all. Have a great rest of the day. Let's be creative. And Tracy Tanner.
So hello and welcome everybody. Again, my name is Tracy Tanner, for those of you who do not know me. And Elham has asked me to do a couple things. As you know, we've already given a presentation on the personal mission statement, and that really launched us into the new year. And typically we may start with one that helps us be creative, and that's where I am leading. We're going to be doing some classes on creativity and workshops, and those will be a 3 series over the course of the next 6 weeks, and our group meets, as you know, every other week. So I want to give everybody a synopsis of what this is going to be about, so you know what to expect as we move forward through this next 6-week period. So in 2 weeks, on Thursday when we meet, what I'd like to do is do a presentation, and with you involved, on understanding what creativity is. And we're going to ask ourselves these questions and understand a little bit more about the left brain and right brain and where it's come in research and where we are today and what we think of that. So with that, we're going to do a couple exercises. So it should be fun and exciting and get everyone engaged, and I hope you look forward to that. So as we go into that, that is more of a personal, how we represent creativity as a person. So those activities on that first session will be around that, to explore our personal creativity. So without going into more detail, I just wanted to whet your appetite with that. And then the second session is going to delve more into creativity in the workplace. So what does that mean? What experiences have we had in the past that have been very good experiences in helping us explore as a team in collaboration, explore our creativity, and what items or situations has allowed us to feel very stifled or not very creative? So we're going to talk about those situations and have some exercises as well that are going to be fun. The third session, which again will be about 6 weeks out from now, will be more about an extension of working in the workplace and collaborating in a team environment. But I'm not going to do as much talking then. So I want to utilize that time where we break out in groups, and everyone as a group will then explore the creativity and how you move through an idea as a group, giving everyone equal opportunity in that group to participate. So some of these exercises, I'm going to throw a little wrench in there and it'll be a surprise. So I'm formulating my final session for that, but just to give you an idea of where that's going to go. And I'm going to give you a little bit of homework each time, and I don't really want to call it homework, but it'll be ideas for you to think about. Nothing too laborious or tedious or time consuming, but ideas for you to think about from one session to the next in order to be prepared. And we'll go through that after each section. So thank you for listening, and I hope that you're excited about the sessions to come on creativity.